Hi everyone, are you all ready for day 3 of 7 days math reboot challenge? Super. Okay, today what we are going to see means we are going to learn about equivalent fraction. Yes, children, since this is math reboot challenge, I am not going in details of this equivalent fraction. I am not going to explain you what is equivalent fraction, why we are using this and all. I am not going to tell you. I am just teach you the application part, how we are going to use it. Okay. So, to learn this equivalent fraction, we need a few basic things, that is about fraction, yes, and if you are grade 5 and above, you can proceed with this. If you know this concept, you can proceed with this, and suppose if you don't know this concept, you can skip this topic, okay, yes. So, in fraction, we will be telling something called numerator and denominator, right. So, what is that numerator and denominator means? Denominator is a whole is divided into how many parts? We know this is a whole. You just see how many parts I am dividing this one. That is my denominator. And what is numerator means? Out of that, how many parts I am going to take? Come, we will see in another way. Now you just see this one. Yes, this is a whole and I didn't have any partition. But you just see the whole is divided into 2 equal parts. So the denominator is 2. The whole is divided into 3 equal parts. So it is 3. It is 4 equal parts and the denominator is 4. Here the whole is divided into 9 equal parts and the denominator is 9. So denominator tells us how we are dividing that whole. Yes? Okay. So what is numerator means? You just see. Now from this I am going to select few things so that my numerator will change. I am just from this whole, it is divided into 9 equal parts. I am going to take few parts from that. You just see, as I am selecting the parts, the numerator is changing. How many parts we are selecting tells us numerator. Okay. So, are you clear with what is numerator and denominator? Super. Now, we will see equivalent fraction. Now, I am going to select this 1/2. Yes, you just see the whole is divided into 2 equal parts and I just took one part from that. Yes. Now, you are going to select 1/2 in any other fraction. Suppose if I am selecting 2 parts from this, will it make 1/2? Will it be equal to 1/2? Yes, we will check. Yes, if I am placing it one over the other, just see whether it is equal. No, 1/2 is not equal to 2/3. Same way, I am trying with some other fraction. I am just trying with this 2 parts from this. You just see. If I am taking this, it is exactly equal. Is that okay? So, 1/2 is equal to 2/4. But even though these two fractions are not same, but the quantity wise, the size wise, it is equal. So, we will call it as a equivalent fraction. Okay, same way some other equivalent fractions will be this. In this, if I am taking 3 parts, it will be equal. Okay, now you consider all these 5 fractions. Yes, everything looks same. Yes, same in the quantity, same in the size, right? But it is not equal. This is, we call it as a equivalent. Same size but from different fractions. So, this is equivalent fraction. So, how we will find that equivalent fraction means, now you just see here 1/2 is equal to 2/4. It is equal to 3/6, equal to 4/8, equal to 5/10. Yes. Now, we are seeing this with visual representation, but in exam or in real life, we won't go with visual representation. In order to find the equivalent fraction, we are going to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. So, you just see here. Okay. Initially, I am having 1/2. If I am multiplying the both numerator and denominator by same number, it is dividing. You are getting equivalent fraction, right? If I am just placing one over the other, it is equivalent, exactly same. Yes? Okay. So, I am just changing this. So, So what we should do? Multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Suppose if we are having a fraction 3 by 5. So how will you find the equivalent fraction for that? Okay, you can multiply any number in the numerator and denominator. So 3 into 4, 12. 5 into 4, 20. If I am multiplying by 4, I should multiply by 4 in the denominator also. You can't change this one. So equivalent fraction means numerator and denominator you are multiplying with the same number. I hope you got this concept. Now what we will do means we will go and have a sum game. In today's challenge what we will be doing means I am going to give you two games. One is to find numerator and denominator. Another one is to find equivalent fraction. Okay, first task is find numerator and denominator. You just enter your name and just click start. In each picture you will be having, you are going to match this one. Yes, you just see here. Numerator 8 and denominator 9. Which picture is having numerator 8 and denominator 9? You have to match. Okay, numerator 1 and denominator 2. I am just matching this way. Yes, so same way you are going to match everything and you are going to submit this one. This game will give you a clarity in identifying numerator and denominator. The second game is equivalent fraction. If you click on this equivalent fraction, 20 by 20 is equivalent to which fraction? So whether 5 by 5, 4 by 9, 3 by 8, 7 by 10, you just imagine 5 by 5 and 20 by 20 is equivalent fraction. Why? 5 into 4 is 20, 5 into 4 is 20. So this is equivalent fraction. You are going to identify what is the correct equivalent for this. You just see here 2 by 5. Here 16 by 44. What is a common number between this 16 and 44? You have to think and select. 44 means in which table we will get 44? Yes, 11th table I will get, right? So 11 into 4 gives me 44. Same we check in the numerator, 4 into 4 gives me 16. So 4 by 11 and 16 by 44 is equivalent. Like this you are going to identify for 20 questions. So it might be a bit challenging, but you just give a try. You just take enough time and try to do it by yourself. Hope you are enjoying this daily challenge. If you are enjoying this daily challenge, you just share it with your family and friends so that they will also get benefit from this. Yes, okay, and don't forget to post your score under this video. Stay tuned with Ramya Karthikeyan.